Welcome to in front of me Nokia G11, and I'll show you the fingerprint scanner test on this device. So I just set up my fingerprint to the power key button here to the scanner, and now I'll try to unlock the device a couple of times with my fingerprint, and we'll see how far this feature is and does it works. So let's just start. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So as we can see, our fingerprint scanner worked here so fast. I just really simple touch the scanner. I'm not pressing it. That's the really good result for the fingerprint, for the scanner, for the fingerprint unlock method. So I just suggest you to try this unlock method, but don't forget that the fingerprint is less secure than the passcode or PIN code. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.